So you have your bed, 2 beds lang, and then a small space there, and a TV here on the right side. So we got a percolator, some cups, free coffee. May free coffee rin sa baba but usually inuwi namin yung mga coffee. And then 2 chairs here. And then may outlet, may plug dito. Then may parang mood light LED dito. Okay, tapos dito sa kabila. Ay, kala ko cabinet. Kabilang kwarto na to. Imagine it's so small. Wala man lang siyang closet. So basically, hang mo na lang yung jacket mo dito nakalabas. Tapos may deodorizer naman siya dyan. May shoehorn and slippers. And then yan, glass. Okay? And then of course, there's a TV. Ito, we got extending room. To, yung difference. Sofa, table, and chair. Sofa. Someone can sleep there on the couch!
Excuse me, man. Excuse me. Remove everything, please. Remove everything. Uy, no.
Lobby, the red-nosed reindeer.
Okay.
Yan. Papagalitan na naman ng nanay niya to. Yan, oh.
Ano ba din? 27.
There's an animal here. Hoy.
Saan yung ano?
Yan, pinapagalitan to ng nanay. Lahat kami busy na nag-aayos, nagtatrabaho. Eto, naglalaro. Oh, yan.
Under there.
Yan. Busy pa maglaro. Yan.